Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a compact convertible that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 4x7 by 2/3 vehicle chassis. Right here I'm going to place a 1x3 plate, followed by a 1x2 plate right here on the left, and a 1x3 plate right here. Then let's place a set of 2x2 plates right above the bearings. And right on top of those, a pair of 2x4 by 2/3 mudguard plates. In these two areas, set down a pair of 1x2 plates. Then a 1x2 steering wheel console right on top of the 1x2 plate. Then a set of 1x3 by 1 left and right hand doors. Then I want to lock the doors in with a pair of modified 1x2 plate with friction stub. These are going to act as side mirrors. Now I want to turn my attention to the front bumper and grill, so take a 1x2 by 2x4 downwards angular plate. In these corners, a set of transparent clear 1x1 round flat tiles. On the bottom, a 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow, and right here, a 1x2 by 2/3 slope. Place this right in this opening right here. And then we're going to lock all that together with a modified 2x2 plate with 2 studs. And we're going to finish off these corners with a set of 1x1/4 round flat tiles. And of course, before I forget, we're going to place a 2x4 by 1 rounded windscreen right here. Now we're going to focus our attention on the rear portion. So we're going to take another 1x2 by 2x4 downwards angular plate. I'm going to place some transparent red round 1x1 flat tiles right here. These are going to be our rear turn signals. Then a 2x2 round flat tile right in the center. And for a bumper, a 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow. Then we're going to slip this assembly right in this 1x2 opening. Right here, a 1x4 plate and a set of 1/4 round 1x1 flat tiles in this area. And a 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow, set that right there. And for a makeshift roll bar, a 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow. That completes the body. But of course we need some tires for this vehicle, so I'm going to flip that over, take a small rim and a small tire, place the rim inside the tire. Now I want to make 4 of these, and we're going to populate all the bearings with tires to complete the compact convertible.